Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jodi. I've been documenting my Sisterlocks journey since I started on June 17th. I do have a playlist where I have documented everything so far, so check that out. Today we are going to talk about frizz. One of my wonderful subscribers, Monica, suggested that I make a video on frizz because she is also new to the Sisterlocks journey and wants to know how do I control frizz. So that will be the main topic of discussion today, as well as my new braid and band routine. Hello everybody. I also talk about luxury goods, so if you are interested in stuff like that, make sure you hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. So I'm 4 months into my Sisterlocks journey. I have been loving it so far. Let's see. So previously I showed you how I braid and band, which is basically I do the traditional braids, band the ends, all of that jazz. Anyway, in terms of frizz, this goes hand in hand with my new routine. So when I first started, my loctician had actually told me it's okay to do a twist and band. So a 2-strand twist like so, you know, band same way. But I never did that because I thought that the braids would give me more volume in my hair, which was true initially. But as my hair has got thicker, and I will show you how it's looking now, the braids have been really stiff, and when I undo the braids, the sections are still very obvious and my hair is not evenly distributed. So what I would do is to wet my hair with water and essential oils, which is also how I keep my scalp from being itchy. But I would basically almost soak it through just to get rid of the kinks in the curls and to fluff my hair back out. However, Sisterlocks and I think most locks lock from the ends. So the more you wet the ends, the more you wet the hair, the longer it's going to take for your hair to lock, and your locks might even start to unravel. So with this new method that I'm doing, when I put in the twists and I undo them, what I discovered with the twist is when I take the twist down, I don't have the stiff sections, my hair is distributed, and I like the way it looks. It looks kind of like Marilyn Monroe type of vibe, like really volumey, nice curl pattern going, really pretty. So I decided that is a new way I will be braided and banded from now on. And also it's a lot faster and I really love that method. So in terms of the frizz, when you, let me show you, let me get closer. So here I am in your face. Please excuse my face today. I am not wearing any makeup because I just applied a chemical peel a couple days ago and I need to allow it to peel, which will take about a week or so. So the skin needs to shed and all of that, and so I can't wear any makeup. I'm just wearing a big slab of sunscreen since I am sitting outside, so I'm not wearing makeup. Sorry about that. So in terms of the frizz situation, Monica and everyone else, what I find is that my hair is frizzy, but I like the way it looks. What happens is the method that I have always used to braid and band, and the fact that I spritz my hair with a little water and I embrace the natural curl of the hair, the frizz blends into the curl pattern and it's not as obvious as when you do a flat twist or you do a tight braid and you do a braid out and things like that. In those situations, you end up with a very defined curl. And when you have a very defined curl, any new growth that you have and any frizz that you have is going to be very contrasting to the curl pattern that you have. So the more defined the curl, the more the frizz is going to show. So for me, what I like to do is just to embrace the natural curl pattern, making it look more like a wash and go type of style. And in that way, the frizz just kind of blends into the overall aesthetic. Also, I think it looks really bohemian and very kind of free and relaxed. And that is what I love about it. So that's how I control it, which is just to embrace it instead of trying to get rid of it, because you can't really get rid of it until your hair is matted. So I just went in for my 4-month retightening. It's been 5 days since I went. Everything is going well. My hair is growing as it should. It is not matte yet. I feel like it will be several more months before it starts to matte. especially because I like the curlier look and the looser end. So it's going to take a while, but it is filling in. Let's take a look at it. So you can see it is a lot fuller. It's fuller and fuller every month. This is how the parts are. The grid is there. The lines are clean, but it's a lot thicker than when I first started. Also filling out along the hairline. She has been able to pull in these little ones and really clean up the lines nicely for me. Also, there is a lot of growth. You can see how much new growth I have in terms of where it's black. And these ones in the back are starting to grow too. Getting a good amount of stretch out of them. So this is how it's looking, guys. So definitely hit the thumbs up button and subscribe for more content. Please let me know what other questions you may have in terms of my Sisterlocks journey. I will be happy to bring you those videos. I go for a retie every 5 weeks, so I usually post a video around that time. I would also like to post another video in between my reties, so leave me some topics. My next video will be counting my locks. I've seen quite a few people do that. It looks interesting, so I feel like I'm going to take a go at it as well. So I'm going to do a video counting my locks with you guys. And as always, if there's anything else concerning like luxury and travel and all of that, happy to share those with you too. So I'm coming up on 1,000 subscribers soon. I will be posting a get to know me, an unboxing, and doing a giveaway for a special subscriber. So make sure to leave me comments about, well, actually I'm thinking for the giveaway, I either want to do a small leather good or a piece of jewelry. So let me know in the comments what you think would be a better option. And until next time, guys, see you in another video. Thank you so much for supporting my channel, and see you next time. Love and light.